Camera already registered. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix Blink camera already registered to another account issue. So let's get started. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, check your login. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Blink account. Sometimes it's just a simple account mix-up. You can also contact the previous owner if the camera is still linked to someone else's account. Ask them to remove it from their Blink system. Or you can contact Blink Sport if you bought the camera second-hand or cannot reach the prior owner. Contact Blink customer support. Provide the camera serial number and proof of purchase so they can help release it. The other option is re-adding the camera. Once it's unregistered, open your blinking app and add the camera again by scanning its QR code or entering the serial number. Then test your setup, make sure the camera connects, stream properly and sends motion alerts. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix Blink camera already registered to another account issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.